Alrighty, to all my pellet gun fans out there, sorry this video has been taking so long. If you watch my other pellet gun videos, you know about my stock storage and all the items that I do have in them. I'll leave a link below to, for that video. Here's some of the stuff there, the items, plus the pellets, Tic Tac container with the pellets in there, with some extra duct tape in case you ever need anything. But the problem I was running into with the reason why I'm making this video is a problem that I was running in with opening this container up to clean my my scope off was this right here, the lens cleaner cloth, and it was stored in this little round part right here, which I always just kind of stuffed it in there, as you can see. And the problem that I was running across when I took the cap off the storage compartment, it was hard, sometimes it gets shoved in there a little bit too much, and it was hard for my big sausage fingers to dig the thing out, and sometimes I couldn't. So I ended up having to find something, screwdriver, stick, something, dig it out, pretty much like that. And sometimes I get all of this jammed down in here. But I have a solution to the problem. This right here, 20 gauge shotgun shell. Spent, of course. But what you need to do is go ahead and cut off the tip right here. Just kind of cut down a little bit. And cut that, just kind of somehow get it started. I'll probably use my knife better. Yep. Just cut the tip off the spent shotgun shell. It's kind of like that. It's not perfect. And then what you want to do is you want to take your cloth, fold it in half like this, and then all I'm going to do is roll it up and stick it inside here. But you want to roll it tight. And then when you go to put it inside the shell, you want to kind of twist it in there. Just like so. And then fits perfect. Check that out. All I gotta do now, when I need my clean cloth, take the take the cap off, pull it right out, pull the cleaning cloth out, clean my lens. So there you go. Check back for more tips. I'm going to redo my items that I have in my stock storage. My Berkeley power baits are a little bit too dried out. And then this, of course I got my line, my twine and stuff like that. My band-aids. I might have to replace them because they sound a little crispy. And of course, I gotta restock my pellets. It's almost empty. So be sure to check back. Leave me a comment if you guys have any ideas what you would put inside the stock storage. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See ya.